Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to solve one problem in force in space. A force of 150 kN acts along a line joining 2 points A 3, minus 6, 9 and B 9, 12, minus 10. Determine its components and express it as a vector. So, force acts along the line joining 2 points. So first you have to find the 2 point A and B, AB vector, and then n cap of AB vector, unit vector along the direction of AB vector, and then multiply with the given force. You got to find the force vector. So the given data, first write the given data. Force F equal to 150 kilonewton. Two point A and B. A 3, minus 6, 9 and B 9, 12, minus 2. So first you have to find AB vector. AB vector equal to, how to find AB vector? Position vector of point B. Position vector of point B equal to OB vector. OB vector minus position vector of point A, OA vector. So OB vector equal to 9I vector plus 12J vector minus 10K vector minus OA vector equal to 3I vector minus 6J vector plus 9K plus 9K. So subtract the components of two vectors. 9 minus 3, 6I vector plus 12 minus 6, 6J vector minus 10 of minus 9. So minus 19K vector. Subtract the two components of the two vector components. First I vector component, J vector component and then K vector component. So AB vector equal to, and then next you have to find AB vector over, next you have to find n cap of AB vector, unit vector along the direction of AB vector. Unit vector along the direction of AB vector. How to find n cap of AB vector? N cap of AB vector equal to AB vector divided by magnitude of AB vector. So AB vector divided by magnitude of AB vector. So how to find magnitude of AB vector, you know. So AB vector equal to 6I vector plus 6J vector minus 19K. Sorry, 9I vector, 9 minus 3, 6I vector, 12 minus of minus plus, so 18J vector. 18J vector. 18J plus 18J vector divided by root of 6 square plus 18 square plus minus 19. So magnitude of that. So n cap of AB vector equal to, by using scientific calculator you have to find the value, divide the by the magnitude, and then find n cap of AB vector equal to 0.223 I vector plus 0.67 J vector minus 0.708 K. So n cap of AB vector equal to this value, n cap of AB vector equal to 0.223 I vector plus 0.67 J vector minus 0.708 K. So next, our aim to find the F vector, force vector. So F vector equal to F into n cap of AB vector. F vector equal to F into n cap of AB vector. So F equal to 150 kilonewton into n cap of AB vector equal to 0.223 I vector plus 0.67 J vector minus 0.708 K vector. So from the multiply by the 150, the F vector equal to 33.45 I vector plus 100.5 J vector minus 106.2 K. This is our result. That's all. It is also a simple problem from the force in space. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.